In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing an online store or setting up a new business, having tax correctly configured is crucial for compliance and seamless transactions. So, let's dive into it and walk through this process step by step. First things first, let's navigate to Squarespace. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. And if you're new here, you'll need to create an account to get started. So, once you're in, you're going to see that familiar interface in front of you. Now locate the Get Started button and give it a click. This action is going to guide you into the core of your website setup. Once you've successfully navigated there, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is basically your control center. From here, you can access all the settings and options to customize your website just the way you like. For the purpose of this video, we're interested in the settings, so go ahead and click on Settings to open up your customization options. After accessing the settings, you'll want to draw your attention to the sidebar on the left. Scroll gently until you find Selling among the options listed. This section gives you essential tools for managing your online sales and customer interactions. Clicking on Selling will lead you to even more specific options related to your store sales. Now, under the Selling category, there's an option named Taxes. This is where the actual magic happens when it comes to managing your store taxes. Click on Taxes to move forward in setting up your tax preferences. In the Tax Setup area, there's an important decision to make. Squarespace gives you the flexibility to choose between a manual setup or an automated process. If you're someone who likes to have full control over every single detail, you might prefer the manual option. However, for ease and accuracy, the automated option can save you time and ensure calculations are always up to date with the latest tax rates. Once you've selected whether you want manual control or the automated route, follow the designated prompts. The system provides a guided experience, ensuring you input all necessary information correctly. It's designed to be user-friendly, so remember to take your time and carefully read each prompt. And that's it. With these steps completed, your tax setup is now linked to your Squarespace store, ensuring all transactions include taxing details as needed. Keep in mind, consistent updates and checks are crucial since tax laws can change, and maintaining accuracy is important for legal compliance. I hope you found this walkthrough easy to follow and that you now feel confident about setting up taxes on your Squarespace site. Thanks for joining me in today's quick guide to enhancing your online business setup. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.